Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Ethereum from Bitrue to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to secure your assets or just switching up your wallet setup, this step-by-step process will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an active account on Bitrue with some Ethereum in it, and your Arculus Wallet app installed and set up on your device. Double-check that you're using the correct networks. Ethereum transactions require the Ethereum mainnet to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Ethereum balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal or send option. Step 2. Before you proceed, you'll need the receiving address from your Arculus wallet. Open the Arculus app on your phone, go to the Receive or Wallet Address section, and select Ethereum. Copy the address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so don't miss any characters. Step 3. Back in Bitrue, paste the Arculus wallet address into the To or Recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Review all the details, including the transaction fee, which can vary based on network congestion. Step 4. Hit the Withdraw or Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the Ethereum network. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet for confirmation, which might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. A quick word of caution. Always verify addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place, and never share your private keys. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you send Ethereum from Bitrue to Arculus wallet in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.